This is where the world's healthiest spirulina comes from. Parry Nutraceuticals. Parry Nutraceuticals, a division of EID Parry India Limited, which was established in 1788, is a part of the multi-billion-dollar Murugappa Group. The Murugappa Group is one of the leading business conglomerates in India, with diversified interests in agriculture, food processing, farm products, financial services, engineering, and many more. Parry Nutraceuticals are the pioneers in microalgae research and cultivation, and have a rich experience of over 3 decades to their credit. Parry began its research in 1977 with the objective of providing nutrition to malnourished children, and then proceeded to commercialize its operations in the late 1980s. Parry has mastered the art of growing spirulina and now grows other microalgae like Dunaliella salina for beta-carotene extraction and Haematococcus pluvialis for extraction of astaxanthin, and has also commenced growing other microalgae for extracting vegetarian omega-3 fatty acids. Spirulina is a microscopic blue-green alga and is nature's most nutritious green food. It is commonly used as a human food supplement. Spirulina has more than 60% protein content and is the highest and the most easily digestible source of protein known. It contains all the 9 essential amino acids and is a very good source of antioxidants. There are proven clinical benefits of spirulina in reducing cholesterol and strengthening immunity. Parry organic spirulina is grown in Unayur in Tamil Nadu because the environmental conditions here are perfect for the cultivation of algae. Unayur boasts of ample sunlight and extremely conducive temperatures between 30 to 39 degrees Celsius in summer and 21 to 27 degrees Celsius in winter. It has low annual rainfall, low wind conditions and low humidity throughout the year, providing the much-needed dry climate for the algae to grow. The algae farm is spread over an isolated and barren land which does not support agricultural activity, thus making the possibility of groundwater contamination by chemical fertilizers or pesticides practically non-existent. All these factors indicate that Parry spirulina grows in the best possible location. Parry has a huge scale of operations. Spread over 130 acres, the farm can produce 300 metric tons of organic spirulina per year, a copious supply of pure groundwater, state-of-the-art facilities, rigorous production processes, and stringent quality standards ensure that the best spirulina is delivered to you. Parry organic spirulina is carefully cultivated and processed using an elaborate and detailed procedure. Parry cultivates spirulina in specially designed raceway ponds. Each raceway pond has a paddle that gently mixes the microalgae culture. This exposes the algae to the required sunlight and also mixes the vegetarian organic nutrients to ensure a healthy culture of spirulina. There are daily quality control tests done on living ponds to ensure a purer and safer final product. Parry Spirulina is cultivated using only plant-based nutrients. No animal inputs or Chilean nitrate are added. The product is suitable for vegans, is non-GMO and gluten-free. Once the organic spirulina from raceway ponds is ready for harvesting, it is filtered through multiple stages and washed with pure water. The spirulina slurry is then passed through vibratory filters and concentrated before spray drying. The filtered and concentrated spirulina slurry is kept at cold temperatures to avoid loss of nutrients. Care is taken to ensure that spirulina is never subjected to excessive heat. The organic spirulina after cultivation is spray dried, ensuring low ash content and low moisture content to improve shelf life. The final product goes through several analytical tests before it is certified and ready for shipment. The shipment always carries the certificate of analysis. Throughout the production process, Parry applies strict quality control standards and conducts a battery of tests to ensure that the final product has a rich nutrient profile and meets high safety standards. It is regularly tested for heavy metals in acclaimed third-party laboratories, and it is ensured to meet international standards with its low heavy metal concentrations and low thiophorbides. Parry Spirulina has a total carotenoid content of up to 6,500 micrograms per gram, phycocyanin up to 19%, and chlorophyll up to 1.68%. It is also rich in antioxidants like superoxide dismutase. Parry Organic Spirulina meets all international food safety guidelines, organic certifications, and vegetarian declarations, and is used by leading brands globally. Parry Spirulina is certified by USDA NOP standards, Naturland Germany, EcoCert France, and OCIA USA. Parry Spirulina is the only spirulina to be certified by the US Pharmacopoeia under US Pharmacopoeia Ingredient Verification Program. Parry Spirulina production facilities are certified GMP ISO 14001 for environmental management systems, ISO 9001 for quality management systems, and ISO 22000 for food safety management systems by Bureau Veritas. The products are certified kosher and halal. Parry Spirulina is the only spirulina in the world to receive so many certifications. As part of their corporate social responsibility, Parry Nutraceuticals provides all its employees at the plant with Parry Organic Spirulina every day, thus ensuring they have good health. Our certifications, integral quality control, and acclaimed third-party laboratory analyses ensure that Parry Organic Spirulina meets and surpasses international standards of nutrition and food safety. Parry Nutraceuticals has a highly diversified and trusted customer base across 35 countries like New Zealand, Malaysia, Germany, the United Kingdom, the United States of America, Italy, Sweden, Switzerland, and many more. No one knows spirulina better. Yes, Parry Nutraceuticals makes the best spirulina in the world.